Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to transfer money from Paysafe to another account. Paysafe is a prepaid card company that allows you to store money on a card that you can then use to make online purchases or payments. It's a popular choice for people who want to keep their financial information safe or who don't have a bank account. But what if you want to transfer money from your Paysafe card to another account, such as your bank account or another prepaid card? In this video, I'll show you how to do just that. How to transfer money from Paysafe to another account. There are a few different ways to transfer money from Paysafe to another account. The best method for you will depend on your specific circumstances. Method 1. Transferring money to your bank account. This is the most common method for transferring money from Paysafe to another account. To do this, you will need to provide your bank account information to Paysafe. This information typically includes your bank name, account number, and routing number. Once you have provided your bank account information to Paysafe, you can simply transfer the money from your Paysafe card to your bank account. The transfer will typically take a few days to process. Method 2. Transferring money to another prepaid card. If you want to transfer money from your Paysafe card to another prepaid card, you will need to provide the other card's information to Paysafe. This information typically includes the card number, expiration date, and security code. Once you have provided the other card's information to Paysafe, you can simply transfer the money from your Paysafe card to the other card. The transfer will typically take a few days to process. Method 3. Using a cash-out service. If you don't want to provide your bank account information or the other card's information to Paysafe, you can use a cash-out service. Cash-out services allow you to convert your Paysafe balance into cash. You can then use the cash to deposit into your bank account or another prepaid card. Method 4. Using a Bitcoin exchange. You can also use a Bitcoin exchange to transfer money from your Paysafe card to another account. Bitcoin exchanges allow you to buy and sell Bitcoin. You can then use Bitcoin to transfer money to another person or business. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips for transferring money from Paysafe to another account. Be sure to provide all of the required information accurately. If you provide incorrect information, your transfer may be delayed or rejected. Be aware of the fees associated with transferring money from Paysafe to another account. Some methods may charge fees, while others may not. Be patient. It can take a few days for your transfer to process. Transferring money from Paysafe to another account is easy. There are a few different methods to choose from, so you can find the one that works best for you. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you learn how to transfer money from Paysafe to another account. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.